For the first time, we've finally gotten a real-world look at the long-awaited DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And this hands-on footage comes straight from an official DJI store in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The video shows a customer actually holding the device, giving us a detailed look at every angle of the upcoming camera. At first glance, it carries the familiar compact charm of the Pocket 3, but there's a noticeable new addition: a small LED flashlight mounted on top, which appears to be detachable. It's a small touch, but one that could make a big difference for creators shooting in darker environments. While the design may seem familiar, the real magic of the Pocket 4 lies in what's going on inside. DJI isn't just polishing up last year's model. They're completely rethinking the imaging system from the ground up. The handheld camera market is getting crowded, with major brands stepping up their innovation game, especially around dual camera systems. And DJI's response? A total redesign that aims to set a new standard for pocket-sized filming gear. Leaked blueprints of what's rumored to be the Pocket 4 Pro reveal a fascinating dual camera structure, complete with two separate image processors. According to leaker Igor Bogdanov, who shared internal design images on X, the Pocket 4 Pro will feature both a wide-angle and a telephoto camera inside one incredibly compact body. But this isn't just about adding a second lens for show. It's about intelligent functionality. The camera can automatically switch between the two lenses depending on the zoom level. When zoomed out, the wide-angle lens handles the shot, but once you start zooming in past a certain point, the telephoto lens seamlessly takes over. The result? Smooth transitions and crisp detail, without the digital zoom quality loss that plagues so many small cameras. What really sets the Pocket 4 Pro apart, though, is its dual processor architecture. DJI is reportedly using two processors to handle image data: one main SoC system on chip, with its image signal processor ISP, and a secondary chip referred to as a pre-ISP. The pre-ISP acts as a first stage of processing, cleaning up the raw sensor data by reducing noise, enhancing brightness, and recovering shadow detail before passing it to the main processor for final rendering. The synergy between these two chips means creators can expect cleaner, sharper, and more dynamic footage straight out of the camera, even in tricky lighting situations. But DJI isn't stopping there. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to feature an intelligent route switching module that automatically adjusts how images are processed based on real-time lighting conditions. A built-in light sensor evaluates the environment and decides whether to engage both processors or just rely on the main one. For instance, in bright daylight, it might skip the extra pre-processing to save battery life. In low light or high contrast scenes, it'll activate the full dual processor chain to deliver optimal results. This adaptive intelligence allows the camera to stay efficient while still pushing its hardware to the limit when necessary. As competition continues to heat up in the portable vlogging camera world, DJI is proving once again why it remains the leader of the pack. With smart processing, dual camera versatility, and real-time scene optimization, the Pocket 4 Pro could easily redefine how creators capture professional quality footage on the go. If this leak is anything to go by, DJI's next release won't just be an upgrade. It'll be a complete reimagining of what a handheld camera can do.